Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a vintage tablescape outdoors. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life. It is a monthly series going to go on right through August, and so this is going to be fun, guys. All you need to do is decorate your outdoor space or show us how you enjoy the outdoors. Now this video is being hosted by Design with Emma, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. We have quite a bit of co-hosts, so let me mention them. We have Jennifer at Home by Design with Marilyn, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Jean Home Decor and more. So as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. You can find those collaboration rules in my community tab. Okay, so now here I have placed a thrifted pink tablecloth over this table, and then that runner, I believe someone gifted that to me. I just can't remember right offhand. I have these beautiful cushions that were given to me also as a gift, and that was by Divine Inspiration by Martha, and they're so beautiful. I absolutely love the color white. Now, as I said when we started the video, I'm going to be decorating this tablescape in a vintage style. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So now the charger came from the Dollar Tree. The pink plates, those came from Michael's, and those beautiful salad plates were thrifted. Now the napkins were also thrifted along with the napkin rings. I believe those came from Party City. Now the flatware, the Dollar Tree was carrying these in the party section in pink, so I grabbed them because they blended in so perfectly. Now the glassware, that was thrifted, but they're Pioneer Woman, so I know you can find those at Walmart. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to thank everyone who participated in this collaboration or just joined in to support. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.